All right, so we're out here at 712 Bentgrass Drive, attempting to do a repair. Just real quick, just want to point out a couple of things. You can see some wind crease shingles here. Essentially, just to repair this one shingle, I'll have to get the nail out from here. And then essentially, I'm almost going to be detaching the ridge cap up here, which will make me have to detach the ridge vent. Now, we have repairs on the back slope as well. As we go down here, you can see wind crease shingles. Essentially, to get to this shingle here, I have to touch the shingles around it. And we have solar panels in the way, so that's kind of hindering me at doing this repair here. All right. Real quick, go over here. Same situation on this slope. To do this repair here, I have to detach and reset this power fan. Also, same situation. To do this repair, I'm going to be touching these shingles, which eventually I have to get the nail out from these. And I'm going to have to detach and reset the ridge vent, which is not in the insurance scope. So we're going to go over here real quick. Same situation on the back slope. I have a wind damage shingle here. It's written for repair. In order to repair that shingle, I have to detach these shingles, get the nail out from under these shingles and the ridge cap. So I have to detach and reset the ridge vent. Now I'm going to show you that the shingles aren't pliable. Also damage over there. I'm going to pass you off to my trusty friend and colleague. We're going to get down here and do this repair.
Now, which one are we repairing?
This is our wind crease shingle here. You can see it outlined with chalk. You see the damage. So, in order to get this shingle out, I have to find where the nail is. Right there. Alright, so here's the end of our shingle. This one's already popping up. Alright. Okay, so here's the end of our shingle here, which means I have to get the nail out from this one, this one, this one. So I should have brought a pitch hopper. This one. You see here the nail just ripped through this one? Right here. It's tore. You see that in there? Mm-hmm. Awesome. There we go. All right, shingles out. You can see here, crease here, slight creasing here, not bad. Little creasing here, not bad at all. But this one right here. All right, can I see that new shingle? Appreciate you, sir. All right, so now we're gonna put the new one in. Get it nice and lined up. Get some nice and lined up. Okay. Grab a few nails real quick, my boys. All right, I'm gonna put this new one in, fasten her down. Now the granules are literally falling off this roof as I'm nailing it in. Once you get a close up of that as well. Once I'm nailing this bad boy in. So, just really quickly, we have some creasing here. It's not bad on this one. It's pretty bad right here. Slight creasing here. So I would deem this roof unrepairable based off of the repairability. There's granules falling off the roof as I'm trying to do the repair. And also the technicality of the repair. You know, I mean, we're essentially touching this entire roof. I'm detaching components on the roof. So I would deem it for full replacement.